one your first time to come across to this platform, you try to subscribe so that you get my updates. Anytime I post my video, you see how it happen. For this particular video, I no go waste on time. I just give you the update how it happen, because most people always they ask me this question, say, guy, I don't go my P since all this why the judge never bring out my case come out. And then on no need to ask me, I know the story how it the place. Say, if you don't do your P, do everything, the judge they're going to put the time, say they'll put the time like 2 years interval. Like I told now for one of my video, I know person when they put in a P 2026. What is that kind of person? What did they say make that person do? Many things they will be like say people go commission up till now they never get their result. Cassation a day when be like say people their case full for cassation up to today they never hear anything. Now the Italian judges, Italian government, they don't bring out the reason why we make it be like say the documents of immigrants when go do a P con the delay. May not be like say we just start the issue for you. So, but first, if you know say you never subscribe, try to subscribe. That one day important. So more enter inside, more say as it happen.
Prince TV.
I so more go for the articles now. More see the reason why we be like say they call the delay people for their P. All right, he said here a court flooded with practices and then personnel not proportionate to the amount of work that grip the various offices. You understand? All right, he said, these are currently the conditions of the courthouses in Italy that are operating in trouble with significant delays on practice that by their nature do not require long terms. You understand? According to Italian law, there are some certain amount for a judge to give an answer to a particular appeal. You understand? All right, let's go a little bit forward. He said, on this front too, the effect of the immigration policy adopted by the Giallorossi government, which opened ports to migrants since September 2019, can be seen. You understand? All right, he said, and this is because there are more than 140,000 asylum requests presented by migrants and for which no response has yet been received. You understand? So as I talk to you now, so Italy gets 140,000 asylum requests when it be like say they never even give a kind of like an answer to. You understand? All right, let's go a little bit forward. He said here, a good part of them, after having received the refusal from the Territorial Commission called to express themselves in the first instance, have now generated appeal to the immigration section, flooding the judicial system. You see, if person go for in particular appeal, they not give the person documents, they're going to give negative. All these things, they will come to carry the load, they give the judge whether for their own particular offices. This one are the complaint when they bring come out. Because if to say you first go commission, they give you documents, you and judge no go get matter. But the rate at which they are giving out negative is not giving work or giving load to that is the tribunal, which is where the judge had. This place now they can't get too much work. Now waiting this particular place they try to explain. All right, more go a little bit forward. More and see how it did the play. All right, he said here, what is generated is a ripple effect, because if on the one hand the appeals increase, on the other the amount of work to be disposed consequently also depending increases. You understand? So that is to let you know that how the Territorial Commission take give people negative go give loads to the judges, and then the pending go still increase, because if judge for example now receive 5 person appeal, that 5 people you need to look the case one by one. That 5 person another one can still come 10. That 10 now so they need to put am front. You understand? Now make you see all this delay they come. More go forward, more they see what they bring come out for article. Because these Italian people, they want frustrate immigrants when they for the country, we never know. All right, let's go a little bit forward. He said here, on the other amount of work disposed, I read this place already. He said here, the letter in 2019 recorded at 53 increase compared to the previous year. You understand? All right, see, let's go a little bit forward. He said the courts are no longer able to respect the time limit. You see, because the overcrowd of asylum, because of the overcrowd of appeal, now the court is unable to respect the time limit which the law have stated. Let's go a little bit forward more to see how they take they disgrace themselves, say not be we. Alright, he said here, established by the law and a short circuit is generated. According to the way I explained here, he said, according to a report from Il Sole 24 Ore, the amount of work determined by the appeal was also felt in the Supreme Court, where it is decided on the appeal of the decision issued by the courts. You understand? Alright, he said here, at the end of 2020, more than half of the outstanding amounts were counted compared to the previous 2 years. After the boom of migrants arrived in 2017, in the following years, there was a decrease in asylum requests, and today there are 33,808 new applications awaiting response on the commissions. You understand? As I talk to you now, so Italy have about 33,808 persons which have already applied for asylum. Those ones like say they don't seek for asylum when they never even tell them anything, they never even go commission. Now they get the day about 33,808 persons. You understand? More go forward more and see how it they play. Alright, he said here, but this is certainly not the sugar that help make people swallow the pill, since in 2019 there was a significant increase, 23% in appeal for asylum application following the negative opinion issued by the territorial commissions. You understand? Alright, he said to clear all the areas that have been created, the staff is not enough, and this floods the whole system, increasing the slope and with them the awaiting time. You understand? Alright, so let's go forward. I'm going to explain everything given. I might just be given at the article. Alright, he said here, the problems concern above all the courts of the big cities of North, which more than other are investigated with an impressive number of appeals. Alright, he said, in 3 states, for example, with regards to immigration, the pending charges represent 50% of total civil charges. In Milan, the office of the courthouses are full of appeal, and in this regard, there are work block longs of 843%. The problem exists, and it is also serious, and as the president of the Court of Bologna, Francesco Corosso, points out, the other sectors such as the family businesses and then contracts cannot be left without staff to make room for areas in the sectors of immigration. So according to the one of the presidents known as president of Bologna, known as Francesco Caruso, can they explain, because the judges were there so not be only to face immigration, they get other kind of like a family issues where they call the book for that place. Now there are lack of judges who are to kind of like respond to these people. All these things still they cause the delay. Ma still finish the article. Ma explain give you now. Alright, he said here, the arrival of migrants therefore not only generates problem straightly related to reception, but also problem of overload of work in the courts. You understand? Alright, he said the situation in the event of an increase in arrival could worsen in the coming years. You understand? For example, 2020 was a year in which landing started to rise again dramatically, and based on the government's decision in recent months aimed at removing the security decree wanted by the former minister Matteo Salvini, at 2021 that does not leave ported nothing good. You understand? Alright, so now the judges now they can't still put this article say now the security decree where they remove of Matteo Salvini when give kind of like a freedom to immigrants, when it be like say that they can't open the port, people can't still they arrive in that year 2020, can't still give overload to them, so that you can't still give overload to them when the delay can't still take day like that. Now where the problem for the come, now here to summarize this video now, so where the problem for the come now from the territorial commission, because if the territorial commission, as you first go commission, they give the person documents, you don't get anything when go concern you, concern lawyer, concern judge, they cause all this delay. So the problem is coming for the territorial commission. This one are the updates when it be like say they don't bring come out. The reason why we be like say the people when go do appeal come the delay. Now be this article when I just read for now. So you will understand the news, you go understand what we try to explain. All these things are something when like on a very good day, it not make sense. Now make I dey pray to God every day. All of them I don't know. If I wake up, if I don't pray finish, I must pray to God, say, Luciano Lemojeze, give an immediate act to immigration. Those ones who have lived here for a very long time, let there be document for them. Because if I dey see this thing, so it dey make me the paro personally. Now make I dey always dey like to dey face this fact, because person go dey country, they no give a document. Tomorrow the person goes patch, they repeat this word every time. They go say this one and that one. So now the update be that one. Made the commission, made them know what that they give to the judge. Now the judges are complaining that there is no worker. The amount of asylum, the amount of people who go they appeal every day by day, too much. They not feel leave the first person when they appeal. You won't come appeal just now, so they will face your case. Now make you go and say they will put it in 2025, 2023. They will suffer themselves. Say not be we one day for the country. So now so the matter they happen. Now say my let know how it they play. So if you like this video, you go help me hit the like button. I try my best as possible to kind of like search this update for now to bring money for the see why the appeal they delay. Those of them when they always they call me for phone, they ask me say why my appeal they delay. Now be this one now, so when I read today, wanna see how it they happen. Now the delay be this one, so when I read give una so when they bring come out for updates. Now this my let una know. People go there for country, they don't give the person document. They look, make the person just day like that. Tomorrow you person go put hand for batting, and they say put hand for batting. This thing na ordinary paper. Give people paper, make the take day. So when you go just print plastics, call everybody say take your own, take your own, take your own. In time to the person there for the country. They go hold and keke assisting another thing. Now that they get heavy load for their head, they never see anything until they give people documents. It don't really better for them. I mean tell them like that. So without wasting time, we'll go another news.